Being situated in the liberated position of devotional service, Prthu Maharaj not only performed all fruitive activities, but also begot 5 sons by his wife Archie. Indeed, all his sons were begotten according to his own desire. As a householder, Prthu Maharaj had 5 sons by his wife Archie, and all these sons were begotten as he desired them. They were not born whimsically or by accident. How one can beget children according to one's own desire is practically unknown in the present age, Kali Yuga. In this regard, the secret of success depends on the parents' acceptance of the various purificatory methods known as samskaras. The first samskara, the garbhadana samskara, or child-begetting samskara, is compulsory, especially for the higher castes, the Brahmins and the Kshatriyas. As stated in Bhagavad Gita, sex life which is not against religious principles is Krishna himself, and according to religious principles, when one wants to beget a child, he must perform the garbhadan samskara before having sex. The mental state of the father and mother before sex will certainly affect the mentality of the child to be begotten. A child who is begotten out of lust may not turn out as the parents desire. As stated in the Shastras, Yatha Yoniya Yatha Bijam. Yatha Yoniya indicates the mother, and Yatha Bijam indicates the father. If the mental state of the parents is prepared before they have sex, the child which they will beget will certainly reflect their mental condition. It is therefore understood by the words Atmasamatan that both Prthu Maharaj and Archie underwent the Garbhadana purificatory process before begetting children, and thus they begot all their sons according to their desires and purified mental states. Prthu Maharaj did not beget his children out of lust, nor was he attracted to his wife for sense-gratificatory purposes. He begot the children as a grihastha for the future administration of his government all over the world.